Hi, I'm Scotty. I service, repair and restore vintage and antique mechanical clocks. Welcome to Scotty's Clock World. Right, let's get the oiling done. One drop on each of the pivots and the posts where they protrude outside the back plate. One there. It's got the crutch on it, that one. We'll give it two, it's pretty wide. One there. There. First wheel. Third wheel. Second wheel. And the escape wheel. Right, turn it over. Do the same this side. Hammer lever. That's right, we haven't attached the spring on the hammer lever yet. We'll do that in a moment. Getting low on oil, so we'll have two half dabs on these pivots. Right, I've topped our oil sink up. Back to one on each. One on the Cannon Arbor. First wheel. Maintenance cam. Warning wheel. And the fly. We'll have to do the pallet lever on the inside because both the pieces are in there. They're the pivots. We'll put one drop of oil on the leading face. And the other one. Both of the pallets. Right, we'll tighten up the That's the spring you can see there. That little bit there needs to clip over just there, which will put a little bit of positive pressure on the hammer to return it every time. Last thing we do before we put our movement on a test stand is to check to make sure that we've correctly aligned the count lever, the maintenance cam and the warning wheel. We do that by putting 1 or 2 turns, or half a turn. On the mainspring, which will have sufficient tension to run it. We then put our finger, turn it round a bit, then put our finger or a set of tweezers under the count lever and lift it. You'll see it has stopped and dropped into the next deep hole. We'll try it again. Lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's dropped into a deep hole. So we've obviously set it up correctly. That's a half hour. Another one. See the hammer working also. The hammer is triggered by these 2 pins here on the maintenance cam. As it turns round, it lifts and drops the hammer. Okay.